What has been your leadership language?
History has what you would call as lessons of history. You also have baggage of history. Therefore, being able to decipher between lessons and baggage is a very important part of leadership.
The name, Kotak
Yes.
Mahindra, I mean, that was your decision, right?
When I read books when I was growing up, it was about some of the leading financial institutions in the world. And the names were Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Merrill Lynch, Morgan Stanley, all of whom were family names started by founders and who said we must put our name onto the company's name to give a confidence of trust for all the customers and investors.
What's the perspective that you have on where banks should start to disrupt themselves?
First, I think banks should not think about themselves as banks. They should think about themselves to be in the business of serving customers. The mindset is, oh, we are a bank, and therefore we have the right to be lazy. We have a right to have the moat. I think that is the most dangerous thing because the pool of savings in banking is under threat. The banker of today and the future needs 3 human qualities: prudence, simplicity, and humility. We were never scared about being a small player in a large market. We were ready to take on the big guys, even when we were small. In the 90s, I was one of the 3 junior Ks. The 2 senior Ks were Kothari and Company, and I was this little two-wheeler trying to make his presence in the giant truck market.
But now you're the truck. You're no longer the two-wheelers.
I'm a great believer in this 4-quadrant theory: Ram quadrant, Krishna quadrant, Duryodhan quadrant, and Ravan quadrant.
If you were to start up again today, would you do it?
I would be a digital evangelist, specializing in the domain of finance with deep understanding of risk. First, we have seen a world which was only physical, which then has transformed to phygital. We are now in the world of what I call as digital, and the 4th stage is only digital.
But do you believe that we will move to stage 4, that we'll only be digital, we won't have bank branches?
Let me give you the example of the largest market cap company in Brazil. It is a digital-only bank called Nubank, valued at $80 billion.
We were talking about how 40 is the new 20 and 60 is the new 40. What's keeping you going today?
I am a great believer that the best way of looking at the future is never have FOMO.
So no FOMO about anything. No FOMO about anything. Is there an Uday Kotak memo that's gone to Jay and Dhaval?
No, I think most of the memos are what they learn on the dining table.